Gouda Dairy, Cream Separator. Smooth milk entry into drum. Improve separation efficiency. Layered discharge port design. Achieve accurate collection. Increase separation area. Ensure accurate separation. Working principle. Flow into rotor via feed pipe. High-speed rotation generates centrifugal force. Separate cream, skim milk, impurities. Skim milk via heavy phase outlet. 38 to 40% cream via light phase outlet. Double the separation efficiency. Applications.